reason why I chose cybersecurity and digital forensics is because I've always been interested in computers, and here I can learn from a certified professional and learn more about them.
Students have an opportunity to take operating system fundamentals, Windows Server administration, the cybersecurity exam, as well as the networking test. We also offer Microsoft Office certifications as well as software development. Students have an opportunity to earn college credit through their Microsoft certifications as well as through articulation agreements with local area colleges and with the state of Ohio.
Where if you pass the certification, you'll be earning college credit with it. We also offer an internship where you're managing Windows servers or other services that you would be using during the school year.
And then the second semester of their senior year, they can go to their academic classes in the morning and then go to work in the afternoon.
For Business Professionals of America, or BPA, we created a website over types of energy, and then we presented it to a judge. We placed third in regionals.
Every year that I've been doing this, I've accompanied students to the national competition.
It's given me a head start on if I want to pick computer networking for my major, or if I want to pursue something else before I even get to college.
Most of my students attend college. A few that have been really successful with their certifications have gone out into the workforce. I've had some students too that they enjoyed the digital forensics part of the course and they've gone directly into law enforcement or some other facet that's not directly related to the program.
After I graduate, I plan to hopefully get an internship with computer networking and then earn my bachelor's degree in computer networking.